So I know for a lot of people, budgeting can feel restrictive, but I find it really, really helps to take control of your finances and to know what's coming in and out. It is a tool and it's a discipline that everybody should have. Even in your everyday life, you should at least every few months do a bit of a budget and see where money is flowing out, like kind of like leaking through the cracks that you're not even aware of. All right. Welcome back to the Flexible Income Club. I'm Liesl Smith. I've been in the online business space for 5 years now, and I want to share with you today about budgeting. Now, this is maybe something that we take for granted in the small online business space, like moms working from home kind of place. I know it's something I don't like doing, but it needs to be done. So let's talk about budgeting. I'm going to show you what I use. It's really simple. It's not advanced at all. And it's basically just to keep track of my spending and to make sure that my income is more than my spending, right? That's all we all need, right? Okay, so let's get into it. So this is what I use. I use Google Sheets. You simply go to google.com and type sheets and it will bring you to this. So if you logged into your Google account, it will show up here. And then I choose a sheet. Now, as you can see here, they already have a monthly budget template, and I use this one. I don't make it difficult for myself. There are all kinds of fancy templates you can find elsewhere, but I just use this one. All right. So it's simple as that. You click on it, and it will open up a new one for you. Once you're inside this template, you simply follow these instructions, okay? Read the instructions, follow them. It says only edit in the highlighted cells, so only enter information in the highlighted cells. That's very important, otherwise you mess up those macros or whatever they are in the spreadsheets. All right, and then you simply fill in your income and expenses here. It's really simple and it gives you a nice overview. And just a reminder, please subscribe to this channel and click the like button if you enjoy my videos, because it's absolutely free to do that, but it helps me so much, my channel. It really benefits my channel. So I'd really appreciate this. If you like this video, click the like and subscribe. It's free. Like my mom thought you had to pay to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so she never did. So please, let me explain to you. It's absolutely free to subscribe to this on YouTube. So if you've enjoyed this little short video, have a look. There's more videos you can watch from me, from my channel over here. And down in the description below, you can also join me in my Skool community, where I share about what I do for flexible income that I can use and build income online around my children and around being at home all day. So until next time, have a fabulous day.